Now we're looking at polynomial operations. So we have adding, subtracting, and multiplying. We're going to start out with adding and subtracting. Adding and subtracting, when it comes down to it, is just combining like terms. So I'm showing you some examples that you'll be seeing similar to delta math. Subtraction's the toughest one. You need to make sure when you're subtracting, you go ahead and distribute that negative sign through. So you may have to rewrite some things. My suggestion is to rewrite negative times a negative is a positive, so it becomes a plus 2x squared. Negative times a positive is a negative, so it's minus x, and then plus 5. Like the last video, we just combined like terms. We got x squared. 6x squared plus 2x squared is 8x squared. Those are done. We got negative 10x minus x, negative becoming more negative, so minus 11x. Those are done. And then we finish out with constants, so 7 plus 5, we get plus 12. We knock that out there. Next example, it's written in words for us. Find the sum. Sum is addition. All right, so it doesn't matter. We don't need to set this up, but technically it would look like this. 4x squared minus 4x plus 10 plus 2x squared plus 5x minus 8. Parentheses don't matter. Combine like terms. 6x squared. Move down the line. We get plus x and then plus 2 at the end here. We're done. Last one, similar in words, but it's subtraction. So I gave you two parts here. If I subtract 5 from 17, that actually means 17 minus 5, and that would be 12. So keep that in mind when you're dealing with this one here. If I ask you to subtract this polynomial from the other polynomial, this one actually goes first, so it'd be 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. Now here's the thing you really got to watch. I'm subtracting this entire thing. So it'd be minus, I do need parentheses here, at least in the setup. And then we do what we did in the very first problem, distribute the negative. So I have 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 7x squared minus 4x, just change all the signs, combine like terms to finish it out. X squared, so we get 10x squared, those are done. We got negative 2x minus a 4x, so getting more negative. And then we got a plus 1 minus 2, so 1 minus 2 is negative 1. There's our answer. Watch the word problems, all right, the ones with words. Those will trip you up. We look at multiplication next. First one, we are just going to distribute. So we go 5 times 4x, 5 times 6. So we get 20x plus 30. We're done. Hopefully not a big deal with these ones. Just dealing with the x's may trip us up, if anything. 7x times negative 2 is negative 14x. 7x times 5x is 35. X squared, though, we have 2 x's in that now. And we're done. Last one here, just a little bit extra. Distributing a negative 2x. We got negative 6x cubed minus 8x squared. You just keep combining the x's. X times x squared is x cubed. I have 3 of them now. And then plus a 10x at the end. And we knock it out. So that's distribution. Last portion of this video is foiling. If you remember, FOIL is first, outer, inner, last. So that means your first terms in there, so it'd be x times x is x squared. Your outer terms, x times 4 is just 4x. Your inner terms, 5 times x is 5x. And the last terms in each parenthesis, so it'd be plus 20 there, 5 times 4. You do have to finish it out. Just combine like terms in the middle. That's all you're going to have left. X squared plus 9x plus 20. That's all she wrote. Keep going. Skip number 5. Let's just jump to 6. First, we get 6x squared. Outer, we get 2x times negative 4 is negative 8x. Inner is 15x. Last is negative 20. Combine the middles, and you're done.